Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY detail, the gold standard waffle pad on my own car. I'm going to use it with the gold standard polish compound and I'm going to attempt to remove some scratches from the car. Let's roll.
So you had me bite through the bullet. I won't play a second fiddle with you. You look away just when they pull it. You gotta step up, yeah, you miss your cue. Ooh, ooh, your time is up now. I'm no fool. I know what you are up to, keep things cool, but it won't help you this time. This time, no, no. This time, yeah. This time, no, no. Back when they were on ya, wasn't easy, but I held your ground. Still I get nothing honest from ya. Excuse me, but I won't buy into your big lie. No need to bother me tonight. They shoot you down this time and I won't fight. I got my head held high. This time, no, no. This time, yeah. This time, no, no. Oh, you think your plan worked out, but I know what's coming your way. So you think you're better than everyone else, but I know what's yet to come. 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 This time.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY detail, the gold standard waffle pad. This one is the 6 inches version. It worked very well. One thing I can show you that it didn't really like this type of pad cleaner I used, because the little peaks were kind of like coming off. But other than that, it works very well. It removed shed loads of scratches and what else. Yeah, so I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.